Hi, hello. Welcome back to my channel, Govind English Teacher. Today, a
Okay.
new person is with us. I don't know about him. Sir, please, first of all, let me say good morning and please introduce yourself. Then we'll talk general topic. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Why not? It's my pleasure to connecting with you. I want to mention here before I start anything. I'm also having YouTube channel, and that is the reason I'm also mention. I want to talk on the Skype application because Skype will allow you to record our session. Right? So, sir,
Yeah.
how are you? How was your day
I'm
going on
good,
so
great,
far?
wonderful, excellent, fantabulous, and fit and perfect.
And I have seen so many videos.
Yeah,
These
yeah,
videos are
yeah.
really, really good. I really appreciate that you are putting much effort to learn this language. You allocate your time for learning this language. Yeah, I really appreciate that. Yeah, you're doing good job.
I think you have been uploading videos regarding English communication skills. So, how long
Yes,
time
ma'am.
have you been uploading?
It's been like 2 months. I've been uploading videos and
Okay.
getting good responses as well. And I'm so quite excited about, to keep uploading videos in futures as well. Because there are so many people like you who are motivated learner. Yeah.
Yeah,
So,
yeah,
sir,
yeah.
today I like to discuss one topic. Okay. Okay.
Yeah,
And
yeah.
that topic should be about, how to motivate it, how to motivate an English learner to learn the language.
Yeah, yeah.
This is my topic.
So motivation are two types, internal motivation, external motivation. So
Mm-hmm.
generally people will be motivated by the external, but actually what happen after some time, the because of external motivation, some people may they will be normal. So but actually if you have the internal motivation, it is it will be help for ever and ever. It is a real motivation should come from our internal. So
Mm-hmm.
when you
Mm-hmm.
are that depends upon your passion, that depends upon your determination, that depends upon your devotion, that depends upon your decision. When you are determined and nothing will stop you, when you don't determine, nothing will help you. So the determination plays a vital role in motivation. So when one
Okay.
who has internal motivation and he can reach his targeted goal at any cost. But what happens if
Mm-hmm.
you get motivation from outer side, that external motivation, sometimes you may come to normal. So that's in most of the situations one has to develop internal motivation. So it will be forever with us until our last breath. So we have to determine. So what type of motivation should be there? Yeah. So according to myself, and if you are determined internally, and everything will be perfect and focus, everything will be good and great. That's reason, and one should have to be develop this type of internal motivation so that he can reach a targeted and achievable goal. Yeah.
Yes, sir. My audience don't know about you. Okay, so could you introduce briefly yourself?
Yeah, yeah. So myself is a teacher of English language, and I've been working as a
Mm-hmm.
teacher for the last 25 years. I'm a motivator, I'm a mentor, I'm a software trainer, and so far I have been uploaded more than 488 videos regarding only communication skills, and I have been interacting with different people from nook and corners of the world regarding how to develop communication skills, how to enhance one's the spoken ability, and only basing on the topic I have been doing on my work, and many people are interacting, and many people are being inspired by my videos, and I feel very happy. I'm getting more lot of motivation by listening those good words and great words, and which makes me push me forward. That's reason. And this thing has been for a long, I think, for the last 2 years, and it's going on well and wonderful and nice. But everybody, one who want to be a good communicator, first of all, trust himself and herself. Then only he can focus on other things. It will be a benefit and a good all the students. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. That's
Yeah.
that's that's lots of knowledge there, lots of information to process. Okay.
Yeah.
You have a very very senior guy, right? When it's come to language learning, I really appreciate that. And how long have you been learning the language? I want to know
Actually,
because it will help
I'm
you.
not learning this. I've been teaching for the last 25 years.
Okay, you're a teacher.
Yeah, I'm a teacher of English
Oh my
language
God.
in a government school, and I've been teaching English language for the last 25 years. And as I told you, I'm a mentor. I'm a motivation speaker. I'm a software trainer, and I'm a YouTuber because of this is my passion. Teaching is my profession, and uploading videos regarding communication is my passion. Yeah.
Mm, When did you start your YouTube channel? I know
Uh, I've started this channel before 2 years back. Yeah.
2 years back you have
Yeah.
started this channel, right? hmm And how is the response you're getting? As you said, that you're getting good responses from like new viewers, new learners, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
How do you
Many
feel?
people,
How
many
do you?
people are calling personally. Personally, they are making a call to me, and they are interacting, and they are trying to appreciate. They are giving some
Okay,
suggestions. They are giving some guidelines what type of videos I should do, and how they are
okay.
trying to improve their English communication skills by watching my videos.
hmm
So I
hmm
feel very happy when I listen those type of good words from the great people and good people. So this
Okay.
thing is going on, yeah, for the long time. Hmm.
All right. Okay. So, sir, do you want to ask me any question?
What is your profession? Profession, that means you are working personal, or you're trying for a job, or you're studying. Let me. Yes.
Yeah. To be honest with you, at this point, I'm looking for a job. Actually, I was working in a company. It was like 4 5 months I was working in that company. Recently, our company kind of facing little bit low work, right. So our company is not getting work. It is a contractual based company. So sometimes company gets contract, sometimes work is kind of less. So the owner will tell us that you're not going to you are not welcome for 15 days or 20 days. So when work will be there, they will call us, oh yeah, JD, we got a contract, you must come from tomorrow on, something like that. But at this point, yeah, work is very less at company, and the owner definitely they're giving us like at least 20 or 30 days of day off. The bad thing is about it, like day off, that I'm not going to get a salary, right? So yeah, it's been difficult for me.
So, what is your qualification?
I completed my 12th many years ago, but now I'm not interested to pursue my graduation. I want to do something on social media. I want to make conversational videos. So let's see what will happen. I'm not quite sure about that, and I'm bit skeptical about my future as well. But one thing I am good at it, that is I always motivated when it comes to language learning. So it will help me somehow in my future. That I believe.
Your intermediate qualification. You want to do something in social media in the name of communication, English language.
Then
Yeah.
name of communication means like I am a very dedicated learner. Okay, I
Yeah.
dedicated my entire day to learn, to watch movies, to talk to people. Especially, I have been talking to strangers over 2 years, and I think right now I'm on the stage where I'm able to express myself. So I think it is a big achievement because we are learning foreign language. It is not our mother tongue, right? So yeah, I'm feeling right now happy because of over the years I have been putting effort to learn the language. Right now I'm somewhere from where I'm able to talking to you, right? So right now we both are from very far away from each other, right? But we are talking to in foreign language. So that is achievement
How
for
it
me.
in,
That I
where are you
believe.
from, sir? Let me know. Where are you from?
I'm from Maharashtra.
Maharashtra. Okay, okay. Nice. So the last question, sir. So what are the suggestions that you are going to give the new learners of English communication skills in English language?
I think perseverance should be there. Without perseverance, you're not going to achieve anything. Because we don't have environment, right? Most of us live in village area, where we don't have like a speaking partner, where we don't, speak in this language often. So you have to understand, if you want to speak well in this language, then you have to have environment. So especially if you don't have environment, what you have to do? You have to find the people who are interested to learn this language. Make a friendship with them, right? It doesn't matter. You have to find the friends offline. Go for online, right? Nowadays there are so many platforms. You can make a friendship over there and try to engage in this language as often as possible. Environment is there. Environment is, I think, the most important essential part when it comes to learning. If you don't have environment, just try to create environment by watching videos, by listening English content. You can create your own environment. You know, when you're able to create that environment, and you know that environment will help you to learn, the language. That I believe.
Okay, nice of you, sir. Actually, how long time you have been practicing communication skills?
It's been like more than couple of years that I believe.
And thank you for coming to my live session. Thank you, sir. See you later. Bye. Good luck.
Okay, okay, bye.